सर ये टाइम जल्दी करूंगा
तुमको
सर।
निकाल दिया था लोकल ढंग से, निकलो चलो।
सर ये एपिसोड बराबर करूंगा सर,
चलो
फटाफट
निकलो।
करूंगा सर,
नहीं,
थर्ड एपिसोड बराबर
निकलो।
करूंगा सर।
निकलो।
All in all, we changed our host to bring down the awkwardness level. Only if we could change the awkwardness level around the world. So, let's get to our first segment. The first report is regarding Taliban, the Yo group before the ISIS showed up. Now, Taliban is like that elder brother who feels neglected when the younger one is born. Anyway, Taliban chief Habib, अरे क्या है ये? Hibatullah Akhundzada urged Afghans to plant more trees. As trees play, this is what he said, and I quote, an important role in environmental protection, economic development, and beautification of earth. Hold on. You know you're screwed when Taliban chief says, bro, पेड़ लगा bro. That's like Asaram Babu saying, सर्वेश्वर परमेश्वर. ये सेक्स वेक्स तो ठीक है, but practice safe sex, हाँ? You know he's right, but he's not the kind of guy you expect to issue such a statement. Now, moving on, let's talk about the Oscars, or as I like to call it, Miss Universe 2017 edition, or 2014 elections if Rahul Gandhi had won. This is the same country that chose Donald Trump as its president, so don't take them so seriously. Now the next bit. I don't want to mislead you guys, so take a look at the clip yourself.
Mr. Satnarayan Saab, सिंधु हमारे नेशनल वॉलीबॉल प्लेयर।
अबे गधे वॉलीबॉल नहीं. Quick word to all PAs, secretaries, organizers, etc. Please do a Google search before an event. You shouldn't have the need to Google because A. She's a national hero. B. She's the freaking chief guest in your event. Still, I'm under the assumption that you operate in that dark space between being human and a retard. Now I don't know what's more idiotic, the fact that he thought that she's a volleyball player or the fact that he cross-checked it with another guy. I mean the level of trust he has is amazing. इतना भरोसा तो अखिलेश यादव को अपने बाप पे भी नहीं है. Now the people out there will say, अरे इसका तो slip of tongue हो गया, छोड़ना यार क्या फर्क पड़ता है. But he is not the only politician out there spewing nonsense. The shit these guys say for votes is amazing. The politicians out there are being very creative when it comes to dissing their opponents. For example, some of the acronyms used during UP elections, and I'm not making this up, are
Round 1. Fight!
मित्रों, स्कैम माने समाजवादी कांग्रेस अखिलेश मायावती.
Save country from Amit Shah and Modi.
मम्मी, सेवा, करेज, एबिलिटी और मॉडेस्टी. सत्ता भोगी कपटी ढोंगी अमित शाह और मोदी.
Round 2. Fight!
एनडी मोदी, नेगेटिव दलित मोदी. मित्रों, बीएसपी माने बहन जी संपत्ति पार्टी. बीजेपी माने भारतीय जुमला पार्टी.
ये बिक गई है गवर्नमेंट, अब गवर्नमेंट में कुछ नहीं है.
Let's get to our next segment. Fair warning, this doesn't get any better. Air India. The punchline to the maximum number of jokes after politicians KRK and well, Abhishek Bachchan's career. Now Air India received a mail from the hotel in London with the subject buffet food not takeaway. Now this is the kind of message you would expect to see outside Barbecue Nation. So what happened was, our kakas and the kakis in Air India were, well, packing the food from the buffet into their tiffin boxes. Well, what's wrong in that, right? खाना है, free है, उठा लो. So, in a nutshell, even the Air India crew doesn't trust the food they serve up there. आगे बढ़ते हुए, अब पानीपुरी वाला in Ahmedabad was jailed for mixing toilet cleaner. Yes, toilet cleaner in the pani. The khatta pani that is. Now this is what happens when you take Swachh Bharat Abhiyan too seriously. Now the only question I want to ask the Pani Puri wala is, how the hell is a toilet cleaner a viable and an economic replacement to water and tamarind? Both of them are almost free. But as usual, this happened way back in 2009 and the guy was sentenced to 7 months of prison recently. So basically, after 9 years, ho gaya. टॉयलेट क्लीनर का टॉयलेट क्लीनर एंड पानीपुरी का पानीपुरी. But don't worry, there has been awesome things that happened as well. ISRO launched 104 satellites in one single attempt. 104. That is more than the number of seats won by the opposition in UP. And the MLA in Mizoram performed surgery on a woman, saving her life, as the doctor on the call was not available. Obviously, he himself was a doctor before turning to politics. Now, this is the kind of politician our country needs. We salute you, sir. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. अगर ये वीडियो होली के बाद अपलोड हो रही है तो बिलेटेड हैप्पी होली, और अगर होली के पहले अपलोड हो जाती है तो हैव अ सेफ होली. हैप्पी होली टू एवरीवन. लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर दिस विद योर फ्रेंड्स.